Another good Sunday. We're out riding the woods, riding some trails. And today, I'm working on this area down here on the TY250, 1974. Let's use this bike today because I'm taking this back to the shop, and this thing just needs a good maintenance, a good service, good cleaning. Hasn't done that for a while since last summer. Yeah, let's ride it around today and get into it. This is a washout where the rain comes from the fields, pools together like this as it comes down the hill, funnels, and just washes out this bit of road here. So it's kind of turned into a little path to me, and the GoPro's not going to show it, but it pretty much faces straight up there at the top. It's probably a good 6 foot, 7 foot elevation, and yeah, I've been riding it a little bit, so let's see what's up. Drop off or something. A lot of thorns right there. Kind of weird feeling. Yamaha's 1974 TY250. Just practicing some balance, some throttle control, some clutch control, body position, just all of the slow technical stuff that trials riding offers. Not that I was really trials riding, I guess. I don't know. That was a lot of fun doing some technical stuff, just trying to test myself and see what it would be like to go up that little hill. Pretty cool. And yeah, so thank you all for stopping and watching the videos and coming along on the trail ride with me today on the TY. Appreciate you, and we'll see you all in the next one. You ready? Ready to get back to the garage? Go get in the shop? This thing has, since, I don't know, last summer or the summer before, been real bad. It's just such a tank. It just goes and goes and goes, but we need to change the oil, clean the carb. You know, the front brake, I have no real front brake. Look at this. I don't know if I'm like tilting this right, but I have to squeeze the lever. It goes all the way to the grip before I get any feel. It's probably just an adjustment, but I'll look at the pads. Got drum brakes, front and rear. So, yeah, just give everything a good service. It's needed. Needs some love. Alright, till the next one, y'all.